Back in 2017, Forbes has already reported that almost 40,000 businesses are making over $1 million every single year with 0 employees. That's right, one-person businesses, solo freelancers, content creators, they're bringing in 7 figures every single year. And fast forward to today, this trend has only accelerated. And right now, we live in an era of abundant opportunity. There are so many digital tools that we can leverage. There's ChatGPT, there's automations, and remote work has now become prevalent, as normalized as ever. So it's been a lot easier to scale a business without having to hire a big team. I'm Annie, I'm a brand and web designer and founder of Emptistudio, and I've learned that there are a few secret ingredients that's helped these people build their businesses into a one-person powerhouse. So in today's deep dive, we're going to take a look at this article titled Forbes Predicts the Growth of 1 Million Plus One-Person Businesses, and here's what it means for you. We're going to be breaking it down into 6 key lessons, and don't worry about taking notes. I'm going to be linking this whole slide deck for you down below so you can keep referring back whenever you need. Number 1, we need to understand the mindset shift that's driving the success. So anyone can join the one-person business movement. That's the good news. No matter your age, no matter your background, you've got what it takes. And this type of success, it's no longer an outlier. There is a proven blueprint that people have forged, and you can leverage this shift to create your own path to financial independence. But remember this, self-doubt and limiting beliefs, these are going to be the things that's going to hold you back more than any external challenge out there. It's going to make you second guess every single decision. And when imposter syndrome creeps in, it's going to be really easy for you to convince yourself that success is for everyone else but not you. And that is where self-sabotage is going to slip in. But here's the truth. Remember that nothing you build will truly work if you don't believe in your own worth and your own potential. So lesson number 2 is to learn how to leverage your experience as an asset. So what does that mean? Wherever you are right now, you've got a toolkit of skills, stories, experiences, insights that nobody else has. So think of this as your secret sauce. Maybe you've never run a full-blown business before, but you've got something that other people don't. And whether it's design, marketing, or anything else, anything you're passionate or talented in, you have a skill that other people don't have, and all you need to be is a few steps ahead. So take what you know, like managing deadlines, like creating beautiful designs, or building connections, and leverage that to build what's called a magnetic personal brand that sets you apart and allows you to bring true value to your clients or to your audience. Lesson number 3 is, how do we build this magnetic personal brand? Well, having an irresistible personal brand, that is going to be your ticket to financial freedom. So what is it? It's not about just racking up followers. It's about creating a brand that people trust, believe in, and are ready to buy from. And here's a helpful 3-part formula to building a successful personal brand. Number 1 is to have a compelling character. So this is telling your story as a founder, what got you here, why you wanted to create your own business, what was the pain point, what were your struggles, and then turning that into an inspiring mission. What are you trying to do to help others? And this should be a purpose that really resonates. And then number 3 is to actually create a proven guide, a step-by-step formula that can guide people through the same transformation. And this is really built on understanding your ideal customer's journey and how to get them closer to achieving their goals. Many creators, they're going to fall into this trap of focusing too much on themselves in the beginning. And what that means is, if you're starting a YouTube channel, if you're starting a website, if you're launching an Instagram profile, you're always thinking about, okay, how do I put myself out there? What should I talk about? How should I look? How should my brand look and feel? But what you actually need in the beginning, before all of that, is having a clear mission and a plan for your audience. When you understand who your audience is, who you can serve, that is when you can take the next step to say, okay, how do I tailor all of my content to actually address the needs of my audience? And if you don't have that plan, you might gain followers, but you won't be able to find the best way to build that lasting income and revenue source. So having a compelling personal brand is a direct response to your audience's needs and desires. And if you're building a brand that resonates on all 3 levels, there will be endless ways to monetize. For example, through services, digital products, or partnerships. It'll come easy if you're able to nail this first part. Lesson number 4 is to learn a few evergreen skills. No matter what you sell, every single business relies on a few key certain timeless skills. And the best part is that they're accessible to anyone who's willing to put in the time and to learn them. So here are the 4 key ones that I would highly recommend focusing on, and it's what I'm creating content about, trying to inspire other people to take action and learn about these same skills, because it's going to really get you ahead. Number 1, sales and marketing. There is no business without sales, and there is no sales without marketing. So learn how to communicate value and onboard people with the value that you are providing. Number 2 is content creation, and this is an avenue of marketing to build a community and to engage people meaningfully by once again sharing information, providing value, getting people closer to the end goal and their desired destination. Number 3 is personal branding, making yourself memorable and a bit trustworthy so that people look forward to hearing more from you and what you have to offer. And then finally is visual design, and I have to emphasize how important this is, because I'd say this is one of the key skills that's allowed me to turn my business into a thriving and profitable career. It's about turning messaging into an enjoyable and digestible format or experience for other people, so that when people jump onto your channel, jump to your website, they visually resonate and can relate. And that's why all of those big brands out there, like Apple, like all the luxury houses, they are able to capture you because they are visually, aesthetically stunning and inspirational and aspirational. And that's why it makes people feel like they're so irresistible. The best part is that you don't need thousands of dollars or years of training to master any of these skills. There's going to be tons of resources everywhere. YouTube is going to be your best bet. Lesson number 5 is to leverage your expertise. So now it's time to combine these evergreen skills with your unique skills and know-how. So your current job or your past experience, it's a massive advantage. Think about what you already know and then layer these evergreen skills on top of that. And by combining these, it's going to form your ultimate edge, creating a niche that only you can fill. And combination, it kind of beats specialization. You can create something unique, hard to replicate, and incredibly profitable this way. So take my experience for an example. I combine my skills in design, which I learned in university, branding, which I learned in my first studio design job, marketing, and web design with an understanding of sales psychology and consumer behavior. And by leveraging these strengths and packaging it up in a way that I can sell to clients, I've scaled my workload to build a sustainable one-person business. Lesson number 6 is understanding and unpacking the one-person business advantage. So imagine you have a one-person business that brings in an extra 4 or 5 figures a month on top of your 9 to 5. How would that change your life? Maybe it allows you to travel more, to save for retirement, or just feel a little less stressed about the bills. And it's not just a dream for entrepreneurs. It's possible for anyone who's ready to shift their mindset, build a brand, and invest in these lifelong skills. So here is the 4-step freelance starter guide. Number 1, adopt a winning mindset. Pull yourself away from all of these self-sabotaging and limiting beliefs. Number 2 is to build that magnetic personal brand. Build a connected audience base that's eager to learn from you and ready to buy. And then number 3, invest in evergreen skill set. Allow yourself to weather and grow during any storm in business and keep improving and developing all these skill sets. Number 4 is to combine all the unique skill sets and create a one-of-a-kind business that can help people in a unique way. The trend of these 1 million plus one-person businesses, it's going to be here to stay, and it's only going to continuously grow. So the only question is, are you ready to seize this opportunity? If you found this video helpful, I know you're going to love this one on the left right here. And if you enjoy listening on the go, we also have a podcast called the Brand Creator Podcast, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.